Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to check some new FPV LED racing gates that are intended to be used with mini and micro quadcopters. Now the reason I got these racing gates for a review is because it was advertised on Banggood that they have a lap timer, so I thought it's going to be interesting to see how it's implemented. Unfortunately, it does not have a lap timer, and the only thing that it does, it counts the laps, which is nice, but it wasn't as nice as I hoped it would be. Inside the box we're getting these 4 parts, so we're getting these 2 parts that make up the gate and also the legs, and we're also getting this very short instructions manual. In order to power up the gate, you will need to open up this door and use 3 AA batteries. Then you need to simply connect the top part. It snaps like that, and then you need to just slide the legs in this manner, and you can see that in about 10 seconds these gates are ready to go. Turning on the gate is done by pressing the power button. Now you can see the LEDs are on, and we can see also the counter on top. And if I'm going to block the beam, it's going to increase the counter and also going to change the pattern of the LEDs. You can see now the counter was changed to 1, and now the LEDs are flashing, and now the counter is on 2, and the LEDs are rotating. Now you have to cross the gate in the center if you want to increase the counter. So for example, when my hand is here, you can see nothing happens. So you have to cross it in the center, which is kind of limited. So this is a pretty simple gate. And as I mentioned before, it was advertised that it's a more advanced one with also a lap timer. So it's a nice thing to have, but you're actually getting a piece of plastic with LEDs around it, which is nice, but you need to consider if it's worth $12 or not. In terms of dimensions, the width of the racing gate is about 34 centimeters, and the height is about 29 centimeters. So you can easily use it with the Snapper 6 and with bigger micro brushless quadcopters, and if you are really precise, you'll be able to use it also with 5-inch quadcopters, but it's going to be a pretty tight pass. So I actually got myself 3 of these gates, and the next thing I'm going to do is to give you a tour of my new house, which is still a little bit messy because I just moved in. So I hope you will enjoy the rest of this video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comment section down below. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up if you like this video, and consider subscribing to my channel and hitting the notification bell if you're not already subscribed. See you on my next videos, and goodbye.